what's up? Welcome to Cakes by Anna. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Rava Ladoo at home, for which you require 1.5 cup of powdered sugar, 2 cups of semolina, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of raisins, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon of chopped cashew nut and almonds. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.